Welcome back. I have another short lesson for you today. We do have one new word, and then we are mostly just going to practice what you've learned so far. So let's dive right into it. Our new word today is demo. Now, in Japanese, there are more than one ways that we can say but. Demo is one of those ways. It can be used to connect two complete sentences. It cannot be used as a conjunction. It must be the beginning of a new sentence. And that's weird for English speakers because we are taught that you can't start a sentence with but, right? But in Japanese, you totally can. Nothing wrong with it. But you must use demo. If it's a new sentence, we use demo. So we have an example here. We have あのレストランは美味しいです。That restaurant over there, it's delicious. でも高いです。But it's expensive. That restaurant over there is delicious, but it's expensive. Notice that there is a period, right? There's a period here, because these are two separate sentences. Demo cannot be used as a conjunction. It's the beginning of a new sentence. Let's look at some example sentences. Pause, take a minute, and try to read it yourself. 彼の犬は大きいです。でも可愛いです。What does this mean? This is using a little bit of everything that you've learned so far. 彼の犬。彼の his 犬 dog, right? His dog. That's our topic. 大きいです。Do you remember this word? It means big. His dog is big. でも but 可愛いです。It's cute. His dog is big, but it's cute. Let's look at another one. Pause and read. 韓国の料理は美味しいです。でも辛いです。Now, some of these words are new, like 韓国. 韓国 means Korean. 料理 means cooking, right? So food. Korean food. 美味しいです。It's delicious. Then we have でも辛いです。辛い means spicy. So, but it's spicy. And it is spicy. Korean food is very spicy. And it's delicious. And I love it. Okay, one more. What does this one say? This one's a little bit different. It says, 猫は可愛いです。でも、豚は可愛くないです。猫は可愛いです。Cats are cute. でも、but 豚は可愛くないです。Pigs are not cute. I don't know. This pig, it's like ugly cute. You know, it's so ugly that it's cute. You know, that's a thing. I think this pig is cute in its own way. Okay, now we have a sample conversation. I want you to take a moment and try to read it yourself. And we're going to go through it together. So pause. Are you ready? Okay. お腹が空いています。日本の料理が欲しいですか？いいえ、日本料理は美味しいです。でも、とても高いです。そうです。じゃあ、寿司はどうですか？はい、寿司がいいです。Okay, so this was one of your phrases. We learned it last time. お腹が空いています。That means my stomach is empty. I'm hungry. Now we have Nihon, which we learned a long time ago. It means Japan. Nihon no, Japanese. Ryori, food or cooking, Japanese cooking. 欲しいですか? Do you want it? いいえ. Japanese food. 美味しいです. It's It's delicious. Totemo, totemo, which means very. Totemo takai desu. It's very expensive. Then we haveそうです. This is like a sentence of agreement. Like, yeah, that's right. That's a good point, right? So, that's a good point. It is expensive. じゃあ, well then, sushi wa dou desu ka? How about sushi? He says, はい. Sushi ga ii desu. Yes, sushi is good. Okay, we are going to practice reading some hiragana before we leave. So, take a minute and read this first one here. What do you think? Megane. Megane means glasses. And there's a cute little fish. Then we have momiji. Momiji. This is a popular name in some animes. It means maple leaf. Okay, how about this one? What do you think? Tabemono. Tabemono means food. Then how about this one? Uma. Uma, horse. Speaking of horses, we got a seahorse. Then we have this one, last one. What do you think? Musume. Musume means daughter. There we go. We filled up our fish tank with some cute fishies and starfish. And we have some more homework. Take a picture, screenshot it if you need to, and we are all done. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.